In finance, we often want to know how two different investments move together. This is where the correlation coefficient comes in. Correlation is a statistical measure that tells us how strongly the returns of two assets move in relation to one another. The number always falls between -1 and +1. Where it lands on that scale tells the whole story. A +1 means they move in lockstep. 0 means there is no relationship, and -1 means they move in opposite directions. Investors often look for assets with low correlation to help smooth out the ride, since they don't all crash at the exact same time. Some assets are naturally linked, like oil prices and energy stocks. Others, like stocks and gold, often have very little relationship. Just remember, just because two things move together doesn't mean one is causing the other to happen. It is just a mathematical observation. Understanding correlation helps you build a more resilient portfolio. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more basics on how markets work.